Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to check engine oil in a WagonR. This is my WagonR 2008 model, and to check the engine oil in this segment, the here is the lever. Push this, pull this lever upside, and this is the mark. So we have to check whether the engine oil is engine oil is above the maximum level or near the maximum level. That is the inner part. As you can see, let me show you. Let me just keep it here. This is this part. It should be up till this part, and if it is up till this part, then you don't have to worry about the engine oil, and it is sufficient. The engine oil is sufficient. Now let me just put it back there where it was, and if it would have been less than that mark, so you can put engine oil from this by opening this cap, and you can put your engine oil in here. Thank you guys.